Mieri eiganona mihituku riria thukuru cia university cianireire kuongerera marihi ma githomo. Ndereti ino yatumurire mateta kuma kona ciothe, arutwo amwe nao makiuga no matiganeirie githomo thutha wa gukorwo makigerera ihinda iritu. Ni kumana na ndereti ici, umuthi Minister wa Githomo George Magoha egwikinyetie mbere ya kamiti ya bunge egie githomo, akiendwo gucokia ciuria ngurani ari hamwe na uria thukuru ici ciakinyaneirie itua riri. Thukuru wa University ya Nairobi ukioneka kumurikwo makiria ndereti-ini ino.
Is it true that you don't know what happened? And are those regulations legal? Have they come to this house?
Ona kuhanora uguo Magoha ni eyeheranitie na itua riri, akiuga ndakuruhanirio ona hanini.
If I had the power that the ministers before me had, that is something I would have settled by tomorrow. I don't have that power now. The power now lies with the councils who don't even consult me.
University ya Nairobi yongereire marihi ma kothi itiganite na makiria ma gicunje kia 70 harĩ igana, undu uria Magoha augite ni mugaru na watho, no ningi akiuga ndari na hinya o wothe wa gutacukiria university ici ikinya.
Even in the case of Masai Mara University, we are unable to take firm action because we have no powers. You touch one person and he goes to court.
Hamwe na mateta magi maria meyumiritie ni arutwo kuhingiririo gwika igeranio matarikitie kuriha mbeca ciothe cia mathomo.
Tumepata wanafunzi kadhaa ambao wanasafika 4th year kugraduate lakini wali miss marks huko nyuma kwa sababu ya nil balance one time in their lifetime. Sasa hawezi graduate, wakienda kuangalia hizo mitihani haziko, lecturers walienda na labda hiyo course was phased out, so they are forced not to graduate or do alternative courses.
Kamite ino riu nitanyitwo kugia na giikaro kia mwanya ica ikuhi na arugamiriri ya thukuru cia university niguo gukorwo magicokia ciuria iria hiuhitie ciende.
Regulation yoyote ambayo inafanyika katika institutions huko nje lazima ikuwe regularized na parliament. Mpaka walete katika bunge, komiti ya bunge iangalie regulation, iweke panel beating, ipitishe kwa floor of the house ndio itumike. Hizi universities zote, vice chancellors na senates walitoa wapi hii act ya kusema mpaka ulipe fees full ndio umalize?
Magoha ona kuhanora uguo akiuria bunge gwika mituki kuhitukia mogaruruku rungu rwa gicunje kia watho ukoniĩ thukuru cia university niguo gukorwo kiheo uhoti wa kunyabara mirutire ya wira thukuru-ini ici. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Gĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.